Hi everybody, welcome back to your digital photography class. We are in quarter 2, week 3. Taking a look at our weekly preview here. Last week we focused on some careers in photography, and this week we're starting off discussing what paparazzis do. Later in the week, we're going to be taking a lighting quiz, putting to test all of the knowledge from last week. And then you're going to be working on a lighting project, creating a couple different photos of different kinds of lighting and submitting them by the end of the week. Please be sure to notice that you guys have a Thanksgiving break Thursday, Friday, and next Monday. Your assignments will not be due until the end of the week. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out to me at any time. And I hope you guys enjoy your short week. Be sure to tune in to the assembly on Wednesday at 10:30. Hope to see you there. Take care.